Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset this phone. Okay, we have two methods how we can do it. We have a reset through the settings, that's the recommended method, but we can also reset our device through recovery mode. Let's begin with the first method. Go to settings, then keep scrolling down until you find general management, and scroll down a little bit until you find reset. In here you can also create a backup of the data before the reset. I highly recommend to have the backup of the data. If you don't know how to create it, on our channel you can find a video how to do it. Now, beside factory reset, in here you can also reset all settings, mobile network settings, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and accessibility settings. But in our case, we are interested in the last option, factory data reset. We just gotta tap on that. And now we can see the informations about the things that will be erased from our device, including all accounts and the app data. Now you gotta slide to the downside, and if you tap the reset, your device will be turned off. After a few seconds, it will be turned on again, and you'll see the setup process. And you'll have to go through it if you want to use your device. That's the first method. When it comes to the second method, to the recovery mode method, we gotta remember about two things. First thing is that if you factory reset your device through recovery mode, there is a chance that during the setup, the phone will want to verify you, or by typing your screen lock, if you have one. If you have it, and if you want to avoid that, you can turn it off before the reset. I mean, you can turn off the screen lock, you can remove it. But the second thing is the Google account protection, the FRP. And also, if you want to avoid that, you can sign out from your Google account before the reset. Or you can, of course, you don't need to do it, but there's a chance that during the setup, the phone will want to verify you. You'll see during the setup the Google account verification, and you'll have to sign in into the same Google account that you were using on this phone before the reset. Okay. Now, to factory reset our Samsung through recovery mode, we gotta power off our device first. So hold power key and volume down, and tap power off, then tap again to confirm. We also need to have a USB-C cable that is connected to our computer, laptop, Mac, doesn't matter. And of course your computer needs to be turned on also. Now connect your phone, and now we need to hold power key and volume up at the same time until we see the Samsung logo. If you see this loading icon, you just gotta start holding again both buttons. When you see the Samsung logo, release the power key, but keep holding volume up. Okay, and something didn't work, so let's try again. Don't worry if it didn't work on the first try, sometimes it happens, so let's power off our device again. And we will try one more time. So power key and volume up. Release the power key when you see the Samsung logo, and keep holding volume up. Okay, and now it worked. As you can see, we are in recovery mode. To navigate, we use volume keys. We just gotta select wipe data / factory reset. And in here you also have the information about the things that I was talking about before. If your phone is reset, you'll need to enter the Google account information, email address and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. Now confirm by clicking the power button. Again, select factory data reset, confirm. We can see down below data wipe complete. So now select reboot system now and confirm by clicking the power button. You can also unplug the cable now, we won't be needing it anymore. and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.